Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover your Evernote account and reset your forgotten password. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to evernote.com. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the login page. Now, you'll see a field asking for your credentials. Enter your email address or username in the designated field, then click Continue. This will move you to the next step of the login process, where you can access the password recovery option. Since you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This is the gateway to resetting your credentials and regaining access to your account, so it's an essential step in the recovery process. Once you click that link, you'll be taken to a recovery page. Here, enter your email address or username in the designated field once again. After entering this information, click Send Recovery Email. Evernote will now process your request and send a password reset link to the email address associated with your account. Now, open a new tab in your browser and head over to your email inbox. You'll need to locate the email that Evernote just sent you. This email contains the critical link you'll need to create a new password and restore access to your account. Once you've found the email from Evernote, open it and click the Reset Password button. This will redirect you to a secure page where you can create your new credentials. The link ensures that only you can reset your password, maintaining the security of your account. On the password reset page, you'll see a field where you need to enter your new password. Choose something strong and memorable, then type it into the designated field. It's important to pick a password that's secure, but also one you won't forget again. Below that field, you'll see another field asking you to repeat the password. Enter the exact same password you just created to confirm it. This step ensures you didn't make any typing errors and that you'll remember the password you've chosen. Finally, click the Update Password button to save your new credentials. Evernote will process this change and update your account with the new password immediately. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Evernote account and reset your password. You can now log in using your new credentials and access all your notes and information. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.